Good evening to all of you. This is Akbar. Today I'm here to demonstrate with very interesting and outstanding topic. My topic is all about with very honest person and hard worker. I will tell you about the biography of Kejriwal. So he was born 16 August 1968 in Hisar. Hisar is located in Haryana. And his father name is Govind Ram and his mother name is Geeta Devi. And his father is a technical engineer and he also wanted to be the technical engineer like his father. And he completed his schooling to Christian Missionary School, which is located in Sonipat. And when he completed his education and schooling, he got admission to read about technical engineering graduation in IIT Kharagpur. And when he reached to IIT Kharagpur and he completed his graduation in technical engineer and he got job in 1989 in Tata Steel, which is located in Jamshedpur. And after that he also worked with Mother Teresa. And after work with the Mother Teresa, he realized how is the corruption, how corruption is booming and how has corruption covered our India and what are the problems which are faced usually by every simple person. Therefore, he prepared for civil service exam. And as you all know, civil service exam is the toughest exam in our country. And after that he passed the civil service exam and he got job in IRC, Indian Revenue Service. And he joined IRC as a Assistant Commissioner Income Tax Officer. And by working in that field he realized how is corruption in our country. And he faced many problems. Not only he faced many problems, but also he realized how are people surviving with many puzzles, with all the conundrums. And in 2006 he made one NGO. His NGO name is Parivartan. He made this Parivartan NGO with his friend. His friend name is Ash. Please tell me. Manish Sisodia. That's my mistake. Manish Sisodia. And after that he also presented India Against Corruption Act with Anna Hazare. And after that he established a party 2 October 2012. And after that he contested the election 2014 and he got win. And after getting win in election, he tried to solve all the problems, but some problem stopped him. And he realized, I need to resign with my position. And he resigned with his position after few days. And in 2015, he also contested the election again. And he got historical winning. And he got 67 seats over the 70 seats. And he is the historical winning. And you also know what are the works are being done by the Kejriwal. This time, if I will tell you how girls are safe in Delhi, many cameras have been applied in the Delhi's street, Delhi's land. If I talk about the education, if I talk about the hospital, if I talk about all the things and all the needy things have been provided to rank and file. This time you also know the rules. The rules are being solved. The rules problems are being enhanced with BJP, with this Aam Aadmi Party.
Mr. Akbar, do you allow me to ask some questions?
Yeah, you may ask.
My first question is that, please tell me that how and when did he get resigned from his post of chief ministry?
He resigned with his job in about which job are you talking?
actually when he had contested the election and he had got the post of chief minister. So after that he had resigned that because he wasn't able to pay that in a right way. Therefore he had resigned. So at which time he had resigned?
He resigned 2014.
Yes, you are right. Clap for him because he had.
Please, if you have.
I have one question.
You may also
to ask you
ask.
that, my brother. As you have told that that organization have been provided by our Kejriwal, Mr. Kejriwal, but you will not tell me that with whom that organization had been provided and had been opened.
Are you talking about Parivartan NGO?
NGO.
That NGO has been started and has been established by the Kejriwal with his friend in 2012.
Well,
Mr. Akbar, I have question for you. Dad, I will tell you about in which school was Kejriwal used to study. Can you
Yeah,
tell
I
me
have
this?
an answer for you.
In which school?
He completed his schooling to Christian missionary schools and campus school.
Where?
Thank you. Thank you. It is located in Sonipat. If you have answer, please you may
I don't have.
give me. So I will continue my last point. I was saying about education. How education is better than another places in Delhi. And as you all know, in the Delhi, many things, many rules have been solved, many problems and many puzzles have been solved with the Kejriwal. Like students are boosted with the business blaster. What is business blaster? It is utilized recently in the government schools, in which thing student can also stand on their feet to start their own business. And it is the major problem to give the employment to per person. This is the need which has also been provided by the Kejriwal to the local children. If I tell about the Mohalla clinic which have also been opened by the Kejriwal, so you have also listened that wonderful news. In the Mohalla clinic everybody can go. If you are rich, if you are poor, if you are children, it doesn't matter, you can go and you can get the
Sorry to interrupt you,
special
my dear friend.
please you may
May I
ask.
ask something?
Yeah, of course you may ask.
just tell me about the education matter. Which ways are being followed by our Mr. Kejriwal that for booming and for spreading the knowledge between the Pan-Buddhist people?
Of course, I will give you answer. If you know, before the Arvind Kejriwal, everybody didn't know about the PTM. What is PTM? But after the Arvind Kejriwal, every parents know about PTM. In per week, every parents are invited in the school and every information are provided to their parents. This is the ideology which needs to be improved. And second thing is that all the classrooms and all the schools have been repaired. Not only those schools have been repaired, but also many facilities are being provided like private schools. Therefore, rich people are sending their children in the government schools in Delhi. In the last but not least,
I want to ask you one question. That you are describing the biography of Mr. Kejriwal, who is the chief minister of our capital, of our country's capital. So please tell me that there were some desires and aspirations of his father. He wants him to be something. Can you please tell me what was that profession? What did his father want him to be after his graduation?
his father also wanted to make him technical engineer.
No, Mr. Friend and Mr. Akbar, actually here you have committed a mistake.
Please solve
Actually,
me.
he wanted him to become a good doctor. Therefore, but he didn't want to be a doctor, but rather he wanted to become a technical engineer.
Yeah.
This was the right answer.
Thank you for giving me.
No problem. You have
Thank you.
actually you have shown your courage.
But Kejriwal wanted to be the technical engineer like his father.
Yeah.
Thank you for solving this problem. And in the last but not least, I will give you answer How did he reach on that position? How did he achieve this impossible position? Just because of honesty. With the help of honesty, with the help of hard work, and with the help of relationship with people. If you have listened, many top bananas have their luxury cars, but Arvind Kejriwal has no any luxury cars. And you have also listened, our sisters, our mother can travel in whole Delhi without money. This is also the prize. This is also the gift for the ladies. So it's all about to my side. And in the last, I will say thank you to all of you for listening my speech, and thank you for everyone for giving your attention to me.